Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Kindly remember to subscribe, like and comment down below. Today we are going to be looking at order flow trading. So we're going to be discussing what order flow is and how we can use it in our trading. So before I begin, I want to remind you guys that I have launched my course. So if you are looking to maybe learn the concepts that I'm teaching here, you can check the link in the description box below. There's a free preview. Actually, you can preview the course and see if it is maybe what it suits you. Then you can decide to enroll. So I have a private group that is composed of students that have enrolled in my course. So let's start. So order flow trading. So when it comes to order flow trading, what I like to do, I like to first of all start from liquidity. So liquidity is simply maybe a short-term low or high that has been taken out. So I'm actually in this example I'm looking at the Euro USD 1 week chart. So in this example we had monthly liquidity. So you can go back to your chart and look at that liquidity that was taken out. This was back in September 2022. So there was a liquidity in the monthly chart that was taken out. So from the moment the liquidity is taken out, that's when you want to be looking at this strategy, order flow. So once it takes it out, you are anticipating that the market may reverse. So if you're anticipating a reversal, you want to now study if this market is now starting to respect the opposing order flow. So the initial order flow was basically was dropping. So when we talk about order flow, two things I like to focus on, apart from the liquidity that I've already mentioned, is the order blocks and fair value gaps. So for example, when this market was dropping from this level, we saw that the market started creating order blocks. So this up close candle is an order block and it's respecting right there and dropping, creating new fair value gaps, respecting that fair value gap and dropping. Any new order blocks created is dropping. So you find that the market is just moving lower and lower from every order block and fair value gap that it creates. So now when it hit this is a monthly imbalance. So once it hit this monthly imbalance, we saw and it took out liquidity inside the monthly imbalance. Now the order flow shifted from this level. So this is a key level. So you find that order flow now starts shifting from that level. So the first thing you want to look at, I watched this order block being created. So initially we thought the market will continue lower, but actually all my students know that we have been watching now for higher prices once we broke this high. So once it broke this high, this was a confirmed order block, and we were watching for that order block now to start pushing prices higher, maybe to seek any liquidity that was above here on the buy side. So the first thing I was watching was this. We were watching this order block, then we got this response back in October. And then we got another imbalance being created here. So this imbalance and this order block being respected, that was our first confirmation of a bullish order flow. So that is now how you start analyzing if the order flow has shifted. So this imbalance was a very good actually point in November to position yourself and maybe seek to trade towards this buy side liquidity. So order flow actually, essentially you want to see order blocks being respected once the order flow is established, and then any new imbalances being created, you want to see it being respected. Another thing, you want to see it now take out, like this order block was taken out here, and then these short-term highs, you want to see them being taken out. That's how you know that the order flow is being maintained bullish. So any new high created, you want to see it broken. Any new high created, you want to see it broken. Any new order block like this one, you want to see it respected. So if you're bullish, then you want to see bullish fair value gaps and bullish order blocks being respected until we hit our target. And then if the market now shows reversal like this instance down here, then it will establish an order flow going lower. Otherwise you want to focus on the order flow that is underlying in the market, and that's actually what your narrative is all about. So if I drop down into the daily chart, still on the Euro USD, you will see that this same order flow that was established down here, even on the daily chart you want to see it being maintained. So we had that weekly order block here that was retested, and then the market started going higher. So any new order blocks, so any down close candle with this move higher, it's an order block that you want to see it being respected. So for instance, we had this order block here, so I did not outline that, but we had this order block being respected here. This imbalance back here was being respected, short-term highs were being broken. So that is how you want now to be trading this order flow kind of strategies. So that is the example on the Euro USD. So any new imbalances, like for instance we have this imbalance here and we have another block here. So if the market for instance comes down here, you want to see the market respect as long as the order flow is being maintained bullish. So maybe I can show you another example on the gold. So the gold, actually, as I have outlined, you want to seek an order flow maybe being established once you have some form of liquidity that has been taken out. So for instance, in gold, this is a 1 month chart. We saw that it took out sell side liquidity, and then now the market started, we'll drop into the weekly chart, you'll see that the market here started shifting the initial bearish order flow into a bullish order flow, and now the market seems like it wants to go into these highs. So if you go to the weekly chart, you will see now here you can do your analysis and start seeing that once we took out this liquidity, you start doing your analysis and seeing if the order flow has shifted. For instance, we took out these highs and the market left this imbalance. So this is already clearly a potential area that the market may use to show you that the order flow it's now shifting higher. So once it retested this imbalance and then broke above this high, then clearly you're being shown that the market is now bullish and the order flow has shifted to bullish. So continuously you'll see the market going higher, and any high will be taken, any order blocks along the way will be broken, and even any imbalances on this side you want to see them broken if the order flow is being maintained as bullish. So guys, that is all about the order flow trading. So that is how you can use your order flow trading and analysis in your trading. So you can incorporate this in your analysis. You can use it in any time frame. It doesn't matter as long as you have seen liquidity being taken out, and you can incorporate it in your strategy, because I've not outlined here any lower time frames, for example the 1 hour 15 minutes, but it can still be used there. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Also let me know what kind of content you want to see or any suggestions you have. Thank you.